A1 English listening. My dream vacation.
Hi, I'm Juan. I love traveling. Today, I want to tell you about my dream vacation. I'd really like to travel to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I love the beach, so I want to stay at a beach resort so I can go swimming every day. I'd also like to go sightseeing. I want to visit the Christ the Redeemer statue and Sugarloaf Mountain. I also want to try the local food and drinks. I'd like to go clubbing and enjoy the nightlife too. I want to go shopping in some local markets and buy some souvenirs. I'd also like to go hiking and see the beautiful scenery. I think Rio de Janeiro would be an amazing place to visit. I hope I can travel there someday. Now, it's your turn. Where would you like to travel? Where would you like to stay? What would you like to do there?